Good day everyone, I am Decadet Torrelisa John Peter Atienza, 3rd year mnemonic. So in this video, I am going to show you how to announce distress, urgency, and safety message. Without further ado, so let's proceed. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MB Mimaropa, MMSI 978-645-132, call sign Whiskey Juliet Mike Kilo. My position is 35 degrees 10.6 minutes north, 101 degrees 47.3 minutes east. I am on fire, and I require immediate assistance. I have 23 persons on board, including 3 casualties. We have launched 2 lifeboats. One lifeboat has 3 persons on board, including 1 casualty. The other lifeboat has 4 persons, including 2 casualties. Over. Pan. All stations. This is MB Calapan. MMSI number 652-318-963. Call sign Alpha Bravo Mike Charlie. My position is 35 degrees 45.9 minutes north, 104 degrees 30.5 minutes east. I have lost my engine control and I have a problem with my rudder. I require tag assistance. Over. Security. All ships. In area Scarborough Shoal. This is MB Batangas. MMSI 321-456-998. Call sign Whiskey Juliet Mike Kilo. Dangerous wreck located in position 30 nautical miles south of Scarborough Shoal. Over.